In quiet suburbs, Ring doorbells quietly record every passerby, rain or shine. Local whispers tell of the Ring Doorbell Collector, archiving faces for unknown purposes. First reported when a missing jogger's last image appeared on multiple unrelated doorbells. Investigators found the same strangers lurking in recordings from different neighborhoods. Soon, residents saw their own images captured and shared without consent, miles away. If your Ring alerts freeze before playback, you might already be in his collection.